guys, I fishing this morning and I take it again lemongrass. I did the truth guys, 3 pieces of lemongrass. This is fresh, but in Reno, Nevada, he's selling the lemongrass already dry. You know, like dry guys, like this one already guys. This one, like this one already dry. But 3 pieces, 4 pieces, depends the big size. It's $5. And also the balunggay guys. See, look, pachiri, saipan. No problemo guys. I have balunggay here, right? See, balunggay in Reno, Nevada guys. See, sa Reno guys ang balunggay $5 ganito, mga 6 na sangkay lang. Maniwala kayo sa akin guys. Kaya tanglad, kaya magluto kayo tanglad with balunggay ang ano nyo sa isop nyo. Okay, continue sa atin kayo kung ilang piraso yung ilutuin ko yung ulit para sa sinigang ko guys. Let's go sa loob guys, kasi ngayon saipan mainit, but Sacramento, California summer, kaya mainit din daw. Kaya ito ngayon nang magsigang tayo. Okay. Okay guys. Yung huli natin pala kanina, this morning, only 5 pounds and a half. Kaya bawasan natin guys ng ano to. Kasi si Direct, Bob's Direct guys, nag-ano sa akin ng 3 pounds. Yan o. Dami pa yan guys. Kapot lang natin yan. Ano natin yun. Kasi umorder si Direct yan. Continuous natin. Guys, yan na yung 3 pounds ni Bob's. Nag-3 pa yata guys. Okay na yan guys. Yan. Ang dami ng 3 pounds ya. Kaya ito naman ang lutuin natin guys. Ito ngayon ang sinigang natin with balunggay. With balunggay tsaka yung tanglad. Kaya hanap pa natin ng lutuan to. Okay, continue natin guys. Yan masarap na guys eh. At least may kita tayo ngayong araw po. Pabili natin ulit tinapay para bukas naman o yung pang jelly natin, kasi $5 na yung supot ng jelly guys. Continuous ka lang guys Yeah, so you like that first? Yung lemongrass para maganda guys. Ayan ang natin. Ayan ang sinigang natin guys. Ready na yan guys Alright, continuous ko lang guys. Alright guys, already okay already guys. I mix already. Timplado na yan guys. Kaya nakaboiled na yan. Kaya I put already the E. The E is already late guys. I don't like cooking like you know. See? Look guys. Whew. Yan. Tapos ito tayo kain ako guys. Wow. Yan ang balunggay natin. Kaya para di guys masira yung isda nyo guys. Yan eh. Tapos takpan nyo. Pag you already boiled again, this is put that one, and then time to eat. Waiting to boil, and then put the balunggay together. Alright, time to eat. Let's go lang guys. Okay. Look guys, yung ii natin is not broken, still good. That's my technique guys to cook the fresh ii. Ganun lang guys ang technique din guys. Na boiled na siya, iti-imply mo first, you make your ingredients. After the freeze is already late, at least you can see it, the freeze is still okay. Right? After this one guys, you see, I put down this one. I put a lot of balunggay guys, is good for the body, okay? Okay, so balunggay is very good guys. Wow. Publing natin ngayon guys. Kasi ganun na. Ano, okay na yan guys. At least naano na yung balunggay, na soup na. Yan, i-off ko na yan guys. Off ko na. Okay, right, this is now time to eat guys. Continuous natin. Okay. Alright guys, this is it. Yung soup natin guys, mas marami sa isda. Ganun ako guys, pag if I'm eating, is a lot of soup. But my fish little bit only, like 3 pieces. And this is my rice. Kaya thanks Lord. This my fresh fish, sinigang, Papa Jerry making, and my little bit rice. Thank you, Sisimasi Lord. And God bless guys. Papa Jerry always love you guys. And I love you guys. And I love you Mama in the sea. I love you Mama in the land. Love you guys. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe for support Papa Jerry guys. Love you guys. See you soon in my another video guys. Love you.